What is up, guys? It's Grant from Genie Motorsports, and today we're just going to do a quick little install of a Type R badge. So I got this badge off somebody on Facebook because it has a little crack in it. So I'm going to use it for demonstration purpose. This badge is just taped on, but I know a lot of people have asked how to take these badges off, and I have already taken them off my car, but I did not make a video, so I'm going to show you today how to do it. It's pretty simple. You're just going to need some flat heads and like some credit cards or gift cards or any type of cards. So let's get to it. Alright, so you're going to want to be careful and take your time with this process. But what you're going to want to do is take a couple flatheads, like I was saying earlier. Take a microfiber, kind of wrapped the screwdriver in it so you don't scratch your grill, like so, and just kind of go in from one of these corners. You'll get it underneath. So you'll kind of get it under one of the corners, and then you're going to want to slip like a gift card or something under it, like so. And then when you get one, you can start with the other. Now it'll have it'll have adhesive around the H, so you're going to want to kind of just like dig in like so to kind of get it behind, and then you can use your screwdrivers to kind of pry it out. So that's what I did to do it. But what they look like on the back is going to be just like this, and it'll have the little adhesive around. I cleaned mine all off. It'll have these two little tabs with little metal like retainers on them, and you can get them without breaking, but more than likely they're gonna break like so. But don't fret. And then you're gonna want to clean where your new emblem's going. Remove the backing and just line up the holes and just stick it on. So that's kind of the fast version of how to remove the badges and replace them. As always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It helps me out. But anyways, I'm Grant from Genie Motorsports. Thanks for watching again. Come for the install. Stay for the vlogs. Bye, guys.